Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Mo Rose here with another nail quickie. So as you can see, first thing I'm doing is coming in and pushing those cuticles back. Then I'm coming in with my sanding band at 5 RPMs and filing down that natural nail bed. I'm going to come in with the cuticle pusher and nip all that nasty dead skin away so that we have no lifting. Next, you're going to see me come in with my dehydrator and put that on the nail bed. I do use my dehydrator twice because you just do not want any lifting. No. I'm going to come in with my nail tips that I got from Amazon. These are No C Curve Square XL nail tips. I don't know if they were XL or long nail tips, but I do know that I absolutely love them. I just didn't have to do a whole bunch of filing, and I absolutely love that. So we did cut them down because she wasn't ready yet. So, but they're still pretty long though. And I'm just coming in and shaping it up. Yep. Now we're going to come in with the drill and just file it off so it's a nice smooth transaction when we get ready to lay this acrylic. And this white that I'm using is like an off-white. Well, it's not an off-white, but it is a white that I mixed with some clear so that it was not so opaque. It was like my version of Milky White, and I actually call it Mother's Milk. I called it Mother's Milk, and then I did use the Nail Supply Glamour Pure White to do the marble effect, because obviously you want it to come through. You don't want it to look see-through, but you want it to look marble. You know what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I like using the Mother's Milk White, or the one that I created. Not because I created it, but because when you use like those pure whites, they are just so hard for me. They are so hard to work with, and they get smooth. But the off-white or the milky whites, I like using those better. So yeah, that's just me. To each his own though, you know. But yeah, we're just coming in, laying them beads. I do not have a 1 or 2 bead method. I have as many beads as I need to get what I needed to get, right? And that works for me. And you know, it doesn't work for other people. And obviously, once you get to a place where you can do that, that is absolutely wonderful. You can use a 1 bead or 2 bead method. You know, practice makes perfect. But right now, you know, I'm just gonna have to do it how I can do it. And yeah. So as you can see, I did get off lens a little bit with the thumb, but I didn't know. So sorry about that. Now I'm coming in with my file and just cleaning and shaping that up so they look nice and square just like she wanted. And I am coming in also with my e-file in a bit. Okay, now it's the bit. I'm using my sanding band because I did not really flood the cuticles, but I do want to go around, but this just smooths it out so well for me. I saw another nail tech user, absolutely fell in love with the method, and at this point was doing away with using my drill bit, and it was working for me. I mean, it still works for me, but I do use my extra fine drill bit now, but at this point I was not, and it wasn't needed, and you know, it was just working well for me. But I do use this step to go and smooth out the nail so we don't have no lumps and bumps. Okay, and then we gotta make sure we get that undercarriage right. I'm just spraying them down with alcohol. Go back and wiping the nail bed to get all that dust and stuff out. I'm coming in with my sticker decals. She did bring me a picture, so that's where this design came from, and I always try to represent or give a shout out, tag any type of artist if I use their design like for inspiration. So that was the case here. If you follow me on Instagram and you saw this design and I had that artist's information, I absolutely tagged them in the post. I always believe in giving credit where credit is due. But yeah, we're just going in, putting the stickers down for the design, and then I'm using my Bella Villa top coat to seal in those stickers. And I love this Bella Villa top coat. I mean, it gets really fast under the light. You give it that shine that I need. It never really chips away. I don't want to say never really. It never chips away. It's really good, and it's a really decent price. Now I'm coming in with the bling to add to the nail, and I'm using the Pensy bling. I originally got it from Wish, but now you can get it on Amazon, and I think it's like $5, and this stuff is freaking amazing. Hey, that it took me 2 years to realize it had that needle point pin in the top, and now I know. But yeah, go in, cure it, do it again on a seal, adding my oil. This is my own creation, and bada bing, bada boom, finished product. She loves it, I love it, we love it. Thank you for watching. Till next time.